So in this Fotor tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to edit text font here on Fotor. So once Fotor is opened up, go to the left hand side, add some text to your design. So I'll just go ahead here and add a heading. Now by default, the font is what it is, but if you wanted to change the font, we'll just go to edit font right here, press on the font, highlight the font that you're looking to edit, go to this top left area, press on the drop down, and you can select a bunch of different fonts this way. So you can change it to this one. You can go ahead and change it to this one. Whatever the case may be, you can also search a font as well. So you can view a variety of different fonts that are being offered, that you can go ahead and kind of play around with. And if all looks good, you can go ahead and do it that way. So very simple, very straightforward. This is how to edit font or edit text font here on Fotor. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.